Toyota is debuting the Turbo Land Cruiser at the 2025 SEMA show, a performance-inspired build that blends the timeless appeal of the Land Cruiser FJ60 with the cutting-edge power of Toyota's modern i4 twin-turbo V6. Specifications: powered by the i4's 3.4-liter twin turbocharged V6 found in Toyota's current Tundra. The Turbo Trail Cruiser produces 389 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. Transmission: original FJ60 5-speed manual. Suspension: 1.5-inch lift, front shackle reversal, 35-inch tires. The engine oil pan was redesigned to work with the Land Cruiser chassis layout, while a bespoke exhaust system provides an aggressive exhaust note. A new heat exchanger was fitted to original mounting points to provide added cooling capacity for the turbocharged engine. Inside, a modern JBL stereo system subtly enhances the vintage cabin experience, updates that preserve its timeless character, while giving the impression it could have spent the past 40 years tucked away in a garage, aging gracefully yet refreshed for today.